A common concern among men considering testosterone replacement therapy is its potential impact on heart health. In recent years, some studies and medical experts have raised questions about whether testosterone therapy could increase the risk of heart disease. However, new research led by Cedars-Sinai Medical Center offers reassuring news. Testosterone therapy appears to be safe for heart health and may even provide certain cardiovascular benefits. This study looked into the effects of testosterone therapy on heart health among a large group of men and discovered that testosterone therapy did not increase the risk of heart attacks, strokes, or other major cardiovascular events. By analyzing medical records and monitoring participants over a significant period, researchers found that men who received testosterone therapy experienced similar heart health outcomes to those who did not receive the therapy. This new data is crucial for men who have experienced symptoms of low testosterone, such as fatigue, depression, weight gain, and decreased libido, but have been hesitant to pursue treatment due to concerns over heart health. According to Dr. Christina Wine, the study's lead researcher, the findings offer hope that testosterone therapy can be a viable and safe option for many men seeking to improve their quality of life. Beyond showing no adverse impact on heart health, testosterone therapy may even offer some benefits for cardiovascular wellness. Low testosterone levels have been linked to metabolic syndrome, an increased risk of obesity, and type 2 diabetes, all factors that heighten the risk of cardiovascular issues. By restoring testosterone levels, TRT can potentially improve body composition, help regulate blood sugar, and reduce inflammation, all of which play a role in heart health. Moreover, optimizing testosterone levels has been shown to improve cholesterol profiles and reduce body fat. These benefits align with the efforts men can take to enhance their cardiovascular health, making TRT not only a safe option but potentially a heart-healthy one. For men experiencing symptoms of low testosterone, such as low energy, loss of muscle mass, mood changes, and low libido, testosterone therapy can be transformative. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, which can impact daily functioning and well-being. TRT offers a solution that can help improve physical and mental health, allowing men to regain vitality, energy, and quality of life. For those interested in exploring the benefits of testosterone therapy, it's essential to choose a trusted provider. PrimeBody.com offers a convenient, safe, and discreet way to start TRT. Through PrimeBody, patients can consult with experienced doctors via telehealth, receive personalized treatment plans, and have their medications delivered right to their doorstep. With PrimeBody, accessing quality care for testosterone therapy is easy, allowing men to safely improve their health and well-being from the comfort of home. Whether you're dealing with the effects of low testosterone or simply want to take control of your health, PrimeBody is a trusted source to help you achieve your wellness goals. Visit PrimeBody.com today to learn more and take the first step towards a healthier, more fulfilling life.